Hello. In this video, I will go over how to set up Auth0 so that your application connects to both FreeCodeCamp Classroom and FreeCodeCamp proper. That being said, in order to begin this tutorial, you need to have already set up both applications locally. So you should have already completed at least the first 3 chapters of this guide on how to set up classroom mode. And you should have completed this guide on setting up a development environment for FreeCodeCamp. If you have done both of these things, then we can proceed with the rest of these instructions. First, let's go to Auth0 and sign into our account. Now that I've signed in, I want to create my application. So let's do that right here. We want to select the regular web application. And let's title it something related to FreeCodeCamp integration. We want to select the Next.js technology for our project. After that, we want to go to the Settings tab instead of following the Quick Start instructions. Now that we're in our application settings, what's important are these 3 variables here: domain, client ID, and client secret. We need to add all of this information into the environment files of both Classroom and FreeCodeCamp proper. Now I have added my credentials to Auth0 in FreeCodeCamp, as well as Auth0 in the Classroom application. Another thing you want to do is go back to the FreeCodeCamp environment file and scroll down until you see FCC Enable Dev Login Mode. You'll want to set this to false. This prevents FreeCodeCamp from performing a dummy login when the user tries to log in, instead requiring you to authenticate yourself through Auth0. So now that we've copied over our Auth0 application credentials to our env files, the next step is to configure our Auth0 application callback URLs with the callback URLs given by both of our applications. Let's scroll down. All right, here they are. These are our instructions for setting up if we're setting up both FCC proper and FCC Classroom. We will need 2 callback URLs, one for each application, and we'll need 2 logout URLs as well. Always remember to save after making any edits to your application settings. Now I will demonstrate what the authentication process should look like if you've successfully set up Auth0. When you click Sign In, you should be directed to this page. And once you've reached here, you can continue with whatever account you would like. Let's click Accept. And now you have successfully signed in through Auth0 authentication. Now let's try out Classroom. For FreeCodeCamp Classroom mode, what would signing in look like? Well, let's click Sign In. Let's click Sign In with Auth0. And now we want to authorize the application to use our account. Now, both applications are expecting us to sign in using Auth0, now that we've configured them correctly, and they are both connected to the same Auth0 application.